Okay, so now we're going to input another kind of arbitrary waveform I've designed and put into the generator, so let's switch to that. Okay. Now, as you can see, if we move it down, let's stop it and then move it down. Okay, you can see it's kind of a stairs step design, and there's two of them. And let's say, for example, we want to trigger from the middle step to the middle step. So let's set it to the rising edges, since they're both two different designs. First of all, we need to set the X1 and the X2 cursors, because we need to judge how far it is from the beginning, the first rising edge, to the second one. Okay, so let's slide that over. Okay, we set that in place. Now we set the X2 to the other middle rising edge. Okay, now we can see it's about 276 microseconds. Okay, so now we need to go to our interval trigger type. So we're going to set a time frame, and we can set it to less than, and we want to set it to, I don't know, maybe 280 microseconds. And then we should see it triggered if it's less than that. Okay, so we're at 300, you can see it's triggered. Okay, 250. Yeah, so, okay, 328, it's triggered there. So when it is less than, you can see that it'll be triggered. And then we can zoom in on the waveform and look for whatever kind of information you'd like. Yeah, so you can slide over the zoom and just see in detail, just get right in there if you'd like. Okay, so that's what the interval will do. It'll set a time frame for you, and then you can have it triggered in a specific area based on the time.